Iran unveils munition resembling Russia's Lancet. Iranian media revealed the development of a new loitering munition colloquially known as suicide or kamikaze drones over the weekend, noting its mild resemblance to Russia's Lancet drone. The existence of the drone, which has no known official name yet, was revealed in a report on Iran's Tasnim news agency over the weekend. Tasnim is affiliated with Iran's powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps paramilitary, which developed the drone. The report concluded, assuming that the new loitering munition manufactured by the IRGC is inspired by the Russian-made Lancet, the drone must have a flight endurance of 30 to 60 minutes and carry a payload of 3 to 6 kilograms within a range of 40 kilometers. The use of the word inspired is noteworthy. The drone certainly isn't identical to the Lancet, but seems to share a similar basic design and, as Tasnim notes, most likely has a comparable range and payload. In combat in Ukraine, Lancets have been credited with destroying several high-value targets ranging from Western-supplied Leopard tanks and howitzers to Soviet-era air defenses and fighter jets miles behind the front lines, leading Ukraine to acknowledge how dangerous and difficult they are to counter. While this record is undoubtedly impressive, there is no indication it has generated Iran's interest in acquiring the Lancet. To date, Tehran has exclusively exported drones to Russia without importing any Russian ones, even before Russia and Iran's unprecedented technical and defense cooperation forged since the latter invaded Ukraine in 2022. It was Moscow, as early as August 2019, that showed interest in Tehran's drones, not the other way around. Iran indeed has a long history of reverse engineering foreign weapons systems, including drones. Most notably, Iran reverse-engineered a Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel brought down in Iran, after straying into Iranian airspace from neighboring Afghanistan in 2011. Based on the captured Sentinel, Iran developed the Shahd-171 Simurgh and smaller Sega drones. Israel intercepted one of these drones in 2018, and confirmed it was a copy of the Sentinel.